Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Xiaomi-Backed Yi Technologies has launched the Yi Home Camera 3, the latest entrant in the company's lineup of home security cameras, which comes with a host of innovative features such as AI-based notifications and intelligent sound and object detection. Unveiled at CES 2019, the new home security camera features a lightweight design and will be made available in the US market at the end of January, carrying a price tag of $40, roughly in $2,800. As a complimentary offering, buyers will get 6 months of free subscription to the company's cloud storage service to store the footage recorded by the camera. The Yi Home Camera 3 is capable of recording videos in Full HD, 1920 by 1080 resolution, which is automatically saved on the cloud service for a definite span of time. The most notable feature of the new home security camera from the Xiaomi-backed company is intelligent object and sound sensing, which ensures that users don't get notifications that are of little to no importance, something which the company calls false positives. These false positives are generated by stimuli such as flying insects, insignificant audio signals, movement of light rays, photos, or even pets walking past the Yi Home Camera 3's field of view. All this is accomplished using advanced sound detection algorithms which pick up audio signals within a range of 16 feet, which are then processed them to classify whether they are worth notifying or raising an alarm. Ron Friedenthal, core algorithm developer at Yi Technology, revealed that users can also choose to put the notifications on autopilot mode. As for the complimentary cloud storage, it will be free for 6 months and will store a recorded video for 7 days. However, the company also offers other cloud storage plans which can extend the storage limit to 15 or 30 days and also come with certain premium features in tow. Yi Technologies has not revealed when the Yi Home Camera 3 will be launched in India. However, the company has promised to share information regarding the device's arrival in India soon. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.